Tinder tutorial. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can use Tinder, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to begin using Tinder, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is, first of all, launch the Tinder application. Now, assuming you have all of your account profile pictures, your preferences set up, to start using it, you have to start swiping. Now, when you swipe right, it means that you like this person. When you swipe left, it means that you don't like this person. Now if I swipe right on this lady right over here, what happens is that if she sees my profile and then she likes me as well, this lady and we are a match. And when we match, we will be able to talk to each other by simply coming to the profile icon here and then simply being able to talk to each other in that regard. So only when you are a match, you will be able to talk to each other and you can get and move things forward. Now when you come to the profile page, you have a couple of options such as editing your profile picture and so on. And once you've done that, you can select a new friends and you can choose the essentials, and you also have Tinder Gold, Tinder Plus and Tinder Premium depending upon what is it that you're comfortable for, and then you should be able to go ahead and then use them. This way you should be able to go ahead and then basically figure out how Tinder works, and this is the guide to Tinder. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.